Hey there, I'm Mike, and today we're going to look at how to replace a paddle on the Scanreco transmitter. Before we begin, please remember, proper maintenance, inspection, and safe operation are equally important to prevent accidents and equipment failure. Only perform maintenance if you're trained, qualified, and following all manufacturer, employer, and government safety rules. Use the correct tools and equipment in a proper workspace. Your safety and that of others is the top priority. The only tool you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Step 1. Confirm the transmitter is powered off. Step 2. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 4 mounting screws on the paddle base. Step 3. Pull straight up on the paddle to prevent damaging the pins on the bottom. Step 4. When you go to insert the replacement paddle, be sure to line the pins up with the sockets on the transmitter. Step 5. Reinstall the 4 mounting screws, do not over-tighten, and strip out the plastic, then test. And that's it. You've now successfully replaced the paddle on your Scanreco transmitter. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or need additional assistance, feel free to contact Elliott After-Sales Support at 531-772-0829. Stay safe, and we'll see you again next time.